quite severe. I'll try to explain it by going through the PowerPoint, and if you want, send me a message. I can share an exercise by choice. 2.2 is about a perpendicular bisector and a circumcircle. I'll start with the perpendicular bisector, and I hope the circumcircle will just follow through the perpendicular bisector. Why the perpendicular bisector consists of two words, perpendicular and bisector, and the perpendicular part. Let me check it all. It's going to line L goes through the middle and is perpendicular AB. So line L is perpendicular and divides the line segment into two parts, exactly two halves, and that's called a perpendicular bisector. And if you fold a piece of paper through line L, then A and B will get precisely on top of each other. And a perpendicular bisector is a line segment that goes through the middle of a line and is perpendicular. And it's an axis of symmetry. So what is said? If you fold it, it's like a butterfly. You fold it, A and B will be precisely on top of each other. And because of this symmetry, all the points of that line have the same distance to A and B. So if you write it out mathematically, we can say all the points in the perpendicular bisector have the same distance to A and B. So all the points P, for example, these points, the same distance from A to B. And when drawing a perpendicular bisector, just draw the right angle sign and the signs for equal length, because I can't always, well, if you do it just slightly incorrectly, I know for sure that you wanted to draw the perpendicular bisector by seeing these two signs. Alright, let's do that in an exercise. Plot A, B, C, 1.2, 4.1, C, 4.2, and color all the points P red, for which PA equals PB and PC is greater than 2 centimeters. Well, if you see something like this, PA equals PB, or is greater than, smaller than, then you know you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. And if you see PC greater than 2, you know you have to draw a circle. So the approach is first plot the points, then get to the approach. Well, PA equals PB, that means you have to draw a perpendicular bisector through A and B, line segment A and B, and then PC greater than 2 means you have to draw a circle with center C and radius 2. And then we have to draw the part for which both criteria meet. So it is on the perpendicular bisector because we say it's equal, and it's outside the circle, the exterior of the circle. And that's this part and this part. I hope you understand it a little bit. You can ask me for another question if you want to work on it. Try to make 17 or 18 and try to work on 19. Good luck.